Hello everyone! For our this activity we require the colorful markers and some of the clay. See how we are just pressing it using our fingers, then we are just making the patterns of this cone with the help of the toothpick. This activity is very simple and cool. We are taking the red sheet of the paper, then we are cutting it down with the help of the marker and some beautiful colors. We are just adding the further details like the seeds, and at the side we are making the ant. Difficulty level is very easy and this type of the activity is very less time consuming. Make use of the glue for pasting all these sheets over the white sheet of the paper. Let's come up to this one. Here we're making the grass out of the green sheet of the paper, then we are just making the broom, and this one is so fun as we are just inserting some of the other sheets of the paper stripes. Potatoes are actually the stems of the plant, but they are found inside the soil. So today we are going to make some of the potatoes. These will look so good and nice. You just need to spread it using the tissue. These are actually the oil pastels. These will look so beautiful on it. Now we are making use of some colorful modeling clays and we are just spreading them with the help of the fork. These will actually represent the germs. This activity is so good and easy. It's best suitable for the small kids. Just give it a try. Thank you.